Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Yard man. Jaja. Blessings my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know say the attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. Some people when me I say right now, me I say yard man. Me feel it for you, my brother. Cooper chopper, yappa chopper. Me feel it for you, my brother. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. I cannot believe this one. This one is a shocker, my people. Oh my word, oh my precious NEWLINK. Some viewers and subscribers. This article I want me to publish now, people, because me have to tell you the truth. Is an article me to publish with this. Nobody never reach out to me. I never get no information from no one. I say NEWLINK, you know, I say such and such go on attacking boss. NEWLINK, you know, at the article me say now, my people. When me read through it, my people, details by details. Me have to come attack my people. Me have to talk about this story where happened over there in Florida involving a Jamaican national who is now a deceased, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, my viewers and subscribers now. Them say now, Zin, a Jamaican national, my people. 62-year-old, my people. Right now, him there on ice. Something what happened over 2 weeks ago, them say now. Over in Florida now. And the person who they behind it, my people, is him wife. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. So, this man and now people and him have him wife. She is 61 years old, my people. But them say, you know what's a relationship kind of go down the lane, go down the wire, my people. And them say this man and our people who them say kind of disabled and thing, you know what I mean? Because them say him walk away, my people. Meaning, him not walk normal like how a man who normal himself would have walk, my people. Him walk away up on them something because him have a disabled problem, my people. See? So there was something where go down now, my viewers and subscribers, where the marriage kind of not work out and them are, you know what I mean? So them saying that December now, yard man filed for divorce, my people. See? From the wife at the time, my people, in December. But from this and now, with the divorce settlement, my people, a lot of things have to go split, you know. Zane, where them say them have couple, some whole heap of money, my people. Millions of dollars work we are talking about, where I got divide between the two of them, my people. But in the end now, wife you them say from over there saying a further, my people. But the frog look like, sorry, oh my, real oh my piece, just NEWLINK. Chris of yes, boy. Well, frog face over there so now in Florida, my people. Zane, yes, I ain't check who feel away, frog face. Right? From what they say in Florida, but she don't look like a Florida, she look like so much a picture she drop from my people. I don't know where yard man find that the ugly something there. Oh, sure. Me angry man. Alright. So she decides, you know what? Enough to go that way there. Meaning say she maybe forget 90% and yard man get 10%, my people. Because yard man plan, you know, and explain everything to us. So look, you know, when me get my food and me get my piece, a cut of the change of the sum, I gone back to my country for spend the rest of my life in Jamaica. I am now 62 years old. I know how much time I'm going to enjoy the rest of life with the rest of look money when me get with my family in Jamaica. Hey, Cooper fracka face now. People say, look at a man, it ain't going like that. You ain't going home with all of this cash. See? So basically people where Cooper Chopper say now, they build together. Yeah, me attack the frog face. Yeah, we build together. We build this thing together. We have this thing together. Now you want cut, leave me. Eh? You not forget half. If you are cut, you have to go get 10%. Well, my people, boy, as me tell you, say incident happened over 2 weeks ago, them say. Boy, them say nephew come say home now and go check up on uncle. When nephew go in the paper, never see blood pan ground. When nephew look people who never see pan ground, no uncle. With the body full of blood, my people. Full of blood, full of blood, full of blood. When them come to me never call police come and check. Them find one big old knife in the kitchen sink and they find something for one kitchen to people. So where they use night kitchen. When them come to can't finish them gone. And when them look around there, some people in another room. Now wife them find with cut pan hand and something, my people. When them carry the man go hospital and do autopsy on it, the body. People, I gonna tell you this a shocker when me say 140 time human game. Jaja sees and Jaja knows attacking boss. NEWLINK, me say 140 times she take the night. and bore up a man kid. Then, the man can't walk good in the people. She finish him off. And them say them arse off. And I'm tell us to take one big something from the kitchen, my people. And them say like he can get knocked out in the head with it. See? So, people. Honestly. So now, she there in a jail, my people. Without bail. Not bail, nothing there in her again, my people. She them so responsive. For sure all people cruel. And when the lawyer person who did a deal with the thing, because they have two set of money for getting the people. See? He have some money for get from some big broken into him disabled thing. And he has some money for get from some local thing where they did have investment in a real estate people. When I tell us some whole heap of money. But it did have got divide between the two of them people. But she no want it go so. As me tell her she want 90. I want to give him 10. See? 10. So, my people. You see a thing when you am greedy. And you see a thing when you want all for yourself. No, you see what it can lead to. No, look into it now. You see what it can lead to. Where lead to now, people, is that the man, sadly, him gone. She a got prison now, and based on the fact, people, 140 times. And for each one when she push a 1 year, she a get, she a look for 140 years. Me say for each push when she pushed it, 1 year feet, and the boss of the take this, oh my, and knock the man in him head. Eh? And even can't find word for said people. She'll get life for that. So look on it. Done. So all of this now, where she decides that she'll fight for people. Or she greedy and want it for herself. Zane, look what I got me now. What I got me, people? Who are going to get it? Who going to get it now? And I see them thing. The people who did that deal with the governmental people must say, look at them, man. This thing never did have to reach a level here. All them did have to do, all she have to do, people, is make time do its course and them do what them have to do and they settle the thing. Eh? Because people a good amount of money with them a talk, but when me read this now, I see the money figures, people. I mean, I tell about no little bit of money. Me not talk about no little chum change. I'm talking about some good sum of money. But frag face so greedy, people. Zane, she want all. She don't want Yardman for going back, my people, and she managed to take out Yardman 3 points, my people. Gone. Eh? I attack for you. Any cell where you're there now. You understand? I attack for you, man. You're too cruel and vicious, man. Eh? Oh, you want all for yourself, so. And take out the poor Yardman life. Eh? Even though I know Yardman a plan for go, I know people, and I know say, boy, it kind of rough sometimes when you go home, because it's what happen to some people and then go home people. But at least the man want to go home. Eh? They work and then build together, my people. They achieve together. See? Things not work out, Yardman deserve a split, you know? The court order it and say half, my people. You get what me I say? Half, you know? But she decides, you know what, enough it goes so. Like she say, you and me put in most of the time, and me invest all, you know what I mean? Not because we did marry together, whatever happened. Mean say, she angry about it, my people. And she take out them 3 points. But glad see I saw it going on, my people, because sometimes them sick there happen. Now what them do? Them pay somebody for do it, and the real person who they behind it, people walk innocently. You understand? But she what? Because she saw and she take up it on herself, people, and she comes and she so angry. Eh? Oh, you pick what kind of art this what kind of art it have, my people? If you take what 100 people, me say 140 time. Eh? 140 time you take sit down a poor boy, so no, my viewers and just take your hand right now, my people. Take your hand. Hold a knife in there. Me not tell you put it on nobody, you know, me not tell you put it on the furniture and push it so. Push it so and count to 140 and see how your hand feel, my people. But think about when you're doing it with anger in yourself, my people, and I push it out feel. Eh? 140 time to somebody. Just imagine how that them and them body is supposed to look, my people. Them say when the autopsy report come out, the people, I'm telling you this happened over in the United States of America, and then the joking and the plating people, 140 times it reveal, say the old man do that to the poor little man, my people. The man all he can't walk, him can't walk good, my people. You understand? The man is a sickly man, disabled man, my people. See? And frag face to that to the man. Eh? Yo, sometimes my people when I pass remarks, I mean I make people in a man, but some man boy, when you take up something sometime, I mean no one want to get through in a man. You reach a lot of way, especially with yard man in a man. You understand, you reach through in a man. And me understanding but sometimes boy, some demonic people who take up on themselves in a man. That's all crosses in a man. Sometimes we want to look up bus and we want to look up breakthrough, but me I tell you, the rough power sometime in the yard, man. Jaja see, Jaja knows, man. Because look what this is same thing I frag face to the poor man. No, people, when me see this something, me say me could have seen it attacking boss. I could have 20 years ago it happened, me have to attack it. Attack it, NEWLINK, attack it. 140 times. Eh? Oh my world, oh my peace. Just imagine when she put the first one and the man say, whee! And she put the other one and say, aye! And she put the man and say, yeah! And she just push him, hey, hey! And she still all when him stop and everything. People, careful of them out there. Careful. Me understand ladies don't feel away when me attack it, but me have to attack it. I have to attack it, my people. See? She is the mastermind behind it. He is the cruel one behind the people. A man who is disabled is the disease. So you have to attack it, my people. I have to attack it. I couldn't see it and bypass it. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. More love, more respect, and more blessings. Thanks to the love, my people. Thanks to the support, the like, the share, the comment. Thanks to everyone who subscribe to the video. Them who don't know, send NEWLINK, the attacking boss, are the real one, my people, not the fake one, the true one. You understand, my people? They just stay safe out there and continue to do the right thing. And for my people I'm over there in the UK, I see a lot of things free up for you, but still, you stay safe and do the right thing. You understand? Yeah, man. Be good, my people. I'm telling this world, a lot of crazy things are going on, my people. A lot. So, just look out, open up on your eyes. You understand? And trust no one. Remember, because people nowadays, people, them because of money, I tell you some of them just, why? Jaja see, Jaja knows. Peace out, my people. Big up. Enough love.